Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something that might seem small but can make a huge difference in your TradingView experience: how to change the font size. Whether you're squinting at tiny numbers all day or just want your charts a bit more readable, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize the font size in TradingView, so your workspace feels just right for you. Let's jump right in. So first things first, let's get into TradingView. If you haven't already opened it up, head over to the TradingView website. You can do this from any web browser: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, they all work just fine. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your tools and charts live. Take a second to get comfortable here because all the magic happens in this space. Now, once you're on TradingView, look for the section labeled Products. It's usually up at the top navigation bar. Click on it. This is where TradingView bundles different functions together, from charts to screener tools. We want to make sure we're in the right part of the platform before moving forward. The next thing we're going to do is head over to the grid view. Think of grid view as the control center for how your charts and information line up on the screen. If you're working on a single chart, it might look a little different, but most folks will see a grid of their favorite charts or watch lists. Here's a key part: right-click anywhere within the grid view area. It's easy to overlook, but right-clicking here brings up a special menu. If you get stuck and can't find the right area, just try right-clicking in an empty space. You should see your options pop up. From here, look for Settings and then choose Canvas. The canvas is basically TradingView's word for the space where your charts and data are displayed. Imagine it like the painter's canvas, but for your financial artwork. This Settings Canvas section gives you the power to tweak how things look and feel, making your workspace more comfortable and easier on the eyes. Now comes the part you've been waiting for: adjusting the font size. In the Canvas settings, you'll find a section labeled Font Size. It might look like a drop-down menu or a slider depending on the platform's latest design. You can choose a larger size if you find yourself leaning in to read your numbers, or go smaller if you want to fit more information on the screen. It's entirely up to your preference. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes I bump up the font during late-night trading sessions when my eyes are starting to feel the strain, and it makes a world of difference. Once you've selected the font size that feels right, go ahead and click OK. Give it a moment. Sometimes your charts will briefly refresh to apply the new look, and that's it. You've just tailored your TradingView experience to suit your own style and comfort. Changing your font size might seem like a little tweak, but trust me, little changes can go a long way when you're spending hours analyzing charts or making trading decisions. Don't hesitate to play around until it feels perfect. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button, and if you run into any issues or have other TradingView questions, drop them in the comments. I always love hearing what you want to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.